Hello friends, today we are making a rich and flavorful crab masala, bold, spicy and deeply comforting. This is a Kerala coastal style recipe where the natural sweetness of fresh crab meets a perfectly balanced masala, slow cooked to bring out every layer of flavor. Fresh, well cleaned sea crab is the heart of this dish. Once cleaned thoroughly, the crab pieces are kept aside, ready to absorb the spices and gravy. Proper cleaning is essential. It ensures good quality, safety, and a clean, naturally sweet seafood flavor. We begin by heating oil in a deep pan and splattering fenugreek seeds. Onions along with the crushed ginger and garlic are then added and sauteed until soft and lightly golden. This forms the base of the curry and adds a subtle sweetness that beautifully balances the spices. Next, green chilies are added, releasing an irresistible aroma. Spices like turmeric, chili powder, special pot and pan masala, fennel powder, and black pepper are added carefully as shown. Detailed ingredients and quantities are mentioned in the video description and pinned as the first comment in the comment section. The masala is cooked gently until the oil separates, deepening both color and flavor. Fresh tomatoes are added and cooked down until they blend completely into the masala. This step is crucial. It gives the curry body richness and gentle tang that complements the crab perfectly. Now the crab pieces are added. They are gently mixed with the masala, so every piece is well coated. Here no water is added at this stage as the crab releases its own moisture, giving us a rich dry style gravy. If needed, add just a little water to achieve a thick flavorful consistency. Fresh curry leaves are added for aroma along with salt adjusted to taste. If desired, a light drizzle of coconut oil can be added for an authentic coastal finish. The curry is then rested briefly along with the flavors to settle and intensify. The curry is covered and allowed to simmer. As the crab cooks, it releases its natural sweetness into the masala, transforming the dish completely. Care is taken to avoid overcooking, keeping the crab tender and juicy. Food always tastes better when it is shared. If you are in Kuwait and enjoy homely, freshly cooked seafood like this crab masala, let us know. We would be happy to welcome you. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.